Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss tea for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make something so simple and easy, and I'm telling you the benefits of this tea is remarkable, okay? And today's tea we're going to be making for weight loss is simple. You can find it in your garden in the spring and summertime, and it's called rosebud tea. This tea has so many awesome benefits, and I just want to name a few. Now this tea is going to help to relieve your menstrual cramps, and is rich in antioxidants. It's packed with vitamin C, pectin, malic, and citric acid. It has diuretic effects, which is great for flushing out the toxins and heat from the body. Now this tea is also going to make you go. It's going to stimulate your kidney, allowing you to go. It's going to relieve the fluid retention. It's going to hasten the elimination of waste through your kidneys. It's going to make you feel like you got to go. It's going to make you go. It also fights the infection in the digestive tract and reestablish normal bacterial populations of the intestines. It's going to cleanse the liver, gallbladders, and promote bile flow. It's going to act as a mild laxative, and it works as a wonderful remedy for liver problems and constipation. It's going to relieve sore throats, runny nose, and block bronchial tubes. Drinking rose tea has a cooling effect on the body. So if you're feverish, this tea is going to help to cool your body down. It's going to help the body to fight off colds, flus, and viruses. It's going to fight against infections in the chest. It can be used to relieve uterine congestion causing pain and heavy periods. And it's an excellent remedy for irregular periods and infertility. It has an uplifting effect on the nervous system, and it relieves insomnia, depression, and fatigue. So like I said, y'all, this tea has so many awesome benefits, and it's wonderful for weight loss because it's going to act as though it's a laxative, okay? So what you're going to need to do this tea right away is 1 more cup of fresh rose petals. Now these are freshly dried organic rose petals, and that's what you should use. Rose petals that don't have any pesticides in it, no type of toxins in it, all right? All natural. And what you're going to do is you're just going to steep this in boiling water. If you have an infuser, that's even better. Okay, you guys, so our tea is finished steeping. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this into my measuring cup and just rinse my cup out real quick. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my strainer, and I'm just going to strain my rose petals back inside. Alright. And there you go, you guys. Delicious rose water tea. Alright, so now I'm just going to squeeze my lemons. My lemon juice inside my tea, and I'm just going to sweeten it with some honey. And I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of honey inside of my cup. And that's it, you guys. Delicious rose water tea. Now you don't have to sweeten it with honey. You don't have to put the lemon juice in there. If you'd like, you just want honey in there, that's fine, or any type of sweetener that you use. But that's wonderful. Look at this wonderful tea, you guys. Okay. Beautiful rose water tea. So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until the next video, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And I will see you again in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.